Okay, this is the chapter 13 mid-chapter checkpoint. I had to start a new video because it was getting too long. So I'm on number 11, and for number 11, I'm also finding the range and the interquartile range of my data. So the first thing I need to do is I need to put my numbers in order from least to greatest. So 22 is my lowest number, and then 28, and then 33, and then 39, 40, 42, and 45. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So my number in the middle is my median, which is 39. So then to find my range, I'm going to take my largest number and my smallest number. So that's 45 minus 22. And I get 23. So my range is 23. To do my interquartile range, I need to find the median of my lower half and the median of my upper half. So the median of my lower half is 28. It's right in the middle. And then the median of my upper quartile is 42. So I'm going to go 42 minus 28. So 14. My interquartile range is 14. Okay, number 12. Yasmin keeps track of the number of hockey goals scored by her school's team at each game. The dot plot shows her data. Where is there a gap in the data? Okay, so there's a gap between 0 and 2 because there's no data at 1. So my answer to this one is just going to be between 0 and 2. Number 13. What is the interquartile range of the data shown in the dot plot with question 12? Okay, so remember when I'm doing the interquartile range, the first thing I need to do is put my data in order from least to greatest. So I have 2 zeros, 3 2s, 2 3s, and a 4. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And so I have 2 numbers in the middle, which is a 2. So that's my median. But then when I'm looking at my interquartile range, I need to look at the lower half and the upper half. So I have a 0 and a 2 in the middle. I have 2 numbers in the middle. So if I go 0 plus 2, I get 2 divided by 2, which is 1. So I'm going to have 3 is in the middle here. There's nothing between 3. So it's 3 minus 1, which is 2. So my interquartile range is 2. Number 14. Randall's teacher added up the class scores for the quarter and used a histogram to display the data. How many peaks does the histogram have? It has 1 peak. The peak is in this range from 701 to 800. So there is 1 peak. Number 15, in a box plot of the data below, where would the box be drawn? Okay, so to do a box plot, I'm going to have to put my numbers in order. So I'm going to put them in order from least to greatest. So my smallest number is 37. Then I have 41. Then 49. Then 50. Then 55, then 62, then 64. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 50 is my median, and that's part of my box plot. Then I have to find my lower quartile and my upper quartile. So my lower quartile is going to be my 41. My upper quartile is going to be my 62. So my box plot would go from my lower quartile to my upper quartile. So my box would be drawn from 41 to 62. If you have any questions, leave them on the classroom. Thank you.